Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabin here from InfoMaker, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can normally create an email opt-in landing page inside a Getresponder in order to normally collect the email lead. This is going to be a really easy and a simple process that you can follow to create an email opt-in landing page. Make sure you are going to be watching the video until the end, so you just to make sure that you do not miss any single part of the video where I normally talk about a crucial detail for creating an email opt-in landing page. And if you're watching this video and if you are watching this channel for the very first time, make sure you are going to be hitting that red subscribe button, so if on the future I come up with some amazing video, you are not going to miss out. And you can also normally get your 30-day free trial without even entering a credit card by clicking a link down below this video description. Okay, so the first thing that you have to normally do is to normally click on create, and once you normally click on create, go to the something called create a landing page, or you can also go and click on create a form. But this form is usually for normally collecting an email lead using a WordPress website or some sort of a different sources. So we have to make sure we are going to be clicking on create landing page. As soon as I normally click on create landing page, they have got a bunch of a template which we can normally do a customization for creating an email opt-in. I'm normally going with a sign up and registration. Make sure you are also going to be choosing a sign up and registration, so it is only going to be recommending a suitable landing page template for email opt-in. So the one that I really like is let me normally find that one. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is the one that I really like here. As you can see, it has got a really decent email opt-in form. It has got a one call to action button, option to add a heading, option to add a normally title. They also has got a thank you page. If you do not want a thank you page, you can normally delete them as well. So I'm going to be naming this test and click on next step. Okay, it is going to take a couple of seconds to normally load up on their page editor. Their page editor is really responsive. So first thing that we have to do is to normally place our logo over here. So as you can see, there is a no logo available here. So I'm just going to be choosing this one as an example for you, just a reference. Okay, as a logo. Let me normally decrease its size. So this is not looking really nice because probably that image was not suitable for making a logo. So we are going to be moving ahead. This is the main title. If you want, okay, main image of the landing page. If you do not want it, remove it. So this is the main heading. So I usually normally write something like free ebook, get a pop, get check, okay, get check list right now and this checklist is about affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'm going to be including affiliate marketing. I want to normally make it a fully capital, but let's just leave as it is for now. So now we have to normally include some product image, or if you have got your lead magnet image, make sure you are going to be replacing this with your lead magnet image. I'm not going to be doing any changes. This is more than enough. Like, subscribe now to receive a update and a super deal. In case if you want to normally make a customization, just hand over your mouse cursor over there and click on it, and you are going to be getting an option to customize it completely. Now the last is call to action button. I'm going to be clicking on this to normally do a changes on it. So I want something called get it for free. Click here. I want to normally increase the size of the button, and color is also customizable. So I want to normally go really yellow. Okay, this is looking nice. Okay, then I want to normally increase it over here. There is also something like get more and save more. So I do not want this text. I do not want this text. I do not even want this button, to be honest, because I just wanted them to normally enter their name and email address. I'm going to be increasing this a bit. Then I'm going to be writing get, okay, get it now for free. I want to normally increase the size a bit more. Okay, we have to normally decrease the size of the font. Now the button is looking really nice. If you want to do a customization on the form, that is also available. Now we have to normally go into a setting. Inside a setting, make sure you are enabling a cookie notification nowadays. That is really necessary. Okay, then I'm going to be clicking on next. Then here is also an element. If you want to normally include few addiction thing, there are a lot of element available over here. As you can see, the thank you page is also over here. So once someone normally opt in, they are going to be getting redirected to the thank you page. If you want to include some sort of a customer, some sort of a call to action on the thank you page, you can include it. Change this with your lead magnet, change the heading, remove this particular image, remove this one, and now once we normally finish it, we just have to normally click on saved. Okay, now I'm going to be clicking on next step. So now I have to normally see whether this is looking perfect on mobile device or not. So if you are normally want to make this a mobile optimized and mobile friendly, make sure you are going to be choosing a mobile preview as well, just to make sure that this is normally complying with a mobile responsive rule as well, if you are running some sort of a paid ad to drive traffic. Then I'm going to be clicking on next. So now, okay, we continue, saved, and now I'm going to be clicking on save and exit. As soon as I normally press that, I will be able to exit. Now we are going to a next step. So now as you can see, this is how easy it is to normally create a landing page. Now my email opt-in landing page is ready. I just have to normally checkbox this to normally publish it. It has been published on the subdomain name of the Getresponder. As you can see here, this is the subdomain name where landing page has created. Now in case if you want to normally use your own domain name, click on it and click on edit setting. And in edit setting, you can normally choose from a 3 different type of a subdomain name, or you can also normally click on it and add your own domain name. I'm going to be recommending you to add your own domain name. It will look more authentic, and you have to normally choose a list as well, in which list we want to normally store all the email opt-in. In my case, I have only created one email list here, so that is only an option. If there was more than a one list, I may have normally get an option to normally choose those as well. I do not want a double opt-in. Make sure you are going to be disabling them. If you have set up any kind of autoresponder, make sure you are going to be choosing them. If you want them to normally visit a custom URL, okay, custom URL, not a thank you page which is inside the landing page template. In case I want them to visit a custom URL, and that is okay, Real Online Business Digital. This is the one that I want them to normally visit. And as you can see, if you want to normally include analytic or remarketing, that is also available here. Google AdWords conversion tracking is available here, and there is also a chat window option. Once you normally done all kind of this configuration, just click on publish. So now as you can see, the publish has been failed because we have not made a major changes that we should. For example, we have to normally add a description. We have to normally, okay, make sure you are also going to be enabling this. Do not index in on a search engine, because we are definitely not going to drive organic traffic to this email opt-in page. So we have to normally make sure that we are not going to normally focus on that as well. So I'm going to be clicking on publish. Okay, it is not letting me to normally publish. I'm pretty much sure I have normally made some sort of a mistake on it. Okay, not yet. I have to really check every single thing properly. There is not an issue. Okay, oh, we have to normally select this, I guess. As you can see, this has normally let us to publish. So you have to make sure you are going to be removing the thank you page from their editor. This is how our landing page look like. Not really nice, but it is perfect for collecting a name and an email address. I was just explaining you how to normally create an email opt-in landing page using a Getresponder. So I have not able to normally design it properly, but in your case, you are going to be having enough time to design it properly. So I hope you have really enjoyed this tutorial, how to create an email opt-in page, email opt-in landing page using a Getresponder. If so, give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy this kind of a tutorial video related to make money online, affiliate marketing, and reviews on various online marketing tool, make sure you are going to be hitting that red subscribe button and press the bell icon, because on the future also I'm going to be keep up coming with this kind of a daily video. So Sabine signing out. I'm going to be check you out on the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.